Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Sprite lesson 15 keyboard input. Okay, for the first puzzle here it is the prediction of the new block of code is key down. Okay, see if you can predict how key down block work. You will not write any code. Okay, do this. Read program carefully and make a prediction about what will happen when you press the spacebar and write it in the box below. Be specific, okay? So you come here to read the code. Here we have the function drawers and the background is white and the text align. It is center. It means it is the center of the screen and the text size is 100. It is big text and the text will be show this. The key down space at 200 and 200. It means that it is the middle of the screen too. So the problem or what you have to predict is what will sprint when you press the space bar. Okay, what has happened if the key down is the key space, what is print on the screen? So for this code or this block of code is key down, it will print the true value or false. If you press the key down, it will be true. If you not press the key down or the space key, it is false. So the program will show false value. Okay, false when you don't press the space bar, okay, or the space key, and the program will show true when you press the space key. Okay, we have only two options, is true and false. Okay, so let's try and run. So when you run, you do not press any key, even the space key, and it will fall. When you press the value, it turns to true. Okay, so it's true false like that. When you press true, did not press, it is false. So this block of code or the key down is evaluate to true or false. So it is like the Boolean expression. Okay, so finish it. We go to the puzzle tool about changing sprite. This program uses key down block to detect whether a specific key are being pressed down. Okay, run the code and try to press P and A. Okay, run, and after that you press P. Okay, the sprite turn it to pitch, and you press A. The program turn it into the hippo. Okay, look inside the if statement and see how the code works. Okay, and add a new block at a search if statement and change the animation to different animation and animal. Okay, so you can check here. So this line of code is checked if the key A is pressed down, the sprite is change animation to hippo, and if the key down is P, the sprite change the animation to pitch, and this one is key down is or. The animation or the sprite will change animation to the sprite dot set animation. We change it to rabbit. Okay. So we run again and try to press all the key. For the first one is P, and next H, and the last one is O for rabbit. Okay. So that's all for this. Finish. Okay, now we go to the moving sprite. you can change the sprite position based on key press. In the same way, you can change its animation. Okay, they are the same. So do this. Add if statement inside your draw loop. Whenever the right arrow key has been pressed down, add code inside the conditional to move the sprite right. If the right arrow key is down, it means that you press the right arrow key and then your sprite should move to the right. Okay, now when I press right, nothing happened. Okay, so let's go. We go to this one, and you can use the block or anything you like. So now I try to use block. I go to the control and try to track this, and I will check if, and after that use the conditional statement. If the key down, we use the key down, it is the right, you can choose right. If the right arrow key is pressed down, what you have to do is move the sprite. In order to move the sprite, you have to use the sprite.x equal to, you go to mod, okay, go to sprite again and sprite.x plus 1. For example, this one is the bug, okay. This one also bug. Okay, let's try and run. You can see it now. Now I press the right arrow key, so the bug is moved slowly to the right, okay. But you want to move it fast, you can make it fast by increase this value to 3 and try to press like that, okay. Okay, that's cool. Finish it. So let's go to the gear with the conditionals. Let's make the gear spin only when the space key is being held down, okay? So do this. Add a code to check whether the space key is being pressed. Move the code to make the gear rotate so that they only rotate when the key is pressed down. So you just go to this control, you drag it up here, and after that you have to check this one is key down, is a key space, you select the space. If the key down is key space being pressed, you have to cut all the codes here. So I show as text here, and after that I cut this 3 line of code and paste it inside the if block like that. Okay, move it forward a little bit. Okay, let's try and run. Now nothing happened. Now I press space. Okay, it worked. Stop, press, and stop, and press again. Okay, so the gear starts spin only when the space key is being held down. Okay, finish. Okay, now we go to the puzzle 5. We have another 3 activity of the keyboard input practice. So the first one is go to A, fish with arrow. So this one is the fish are back, and can you make the fish move left only when the left arrow key is pressed down? So it's the same as the last puzzle. So what you have to do is you go to control and use this, okay. And after that, what you have to do is to check the key. What is the key down? Key down is the delete this and control space, and you check it's the left key. If the left key is pressed down, what you have to do? You can come up here, cut this line of code, okay, and this line of code. Again, we have 3 lines of code. Need to use it inside this if block. Okay. So now I cut this, and this is, now let me rearrange the code. Okay, let's try. Okay, run. Okay, nothing happened, but the fish is now is like the checking. So now I press the left. Okay, it's come. Left, left, left. Stop, left. Okay, stop, left. Okay, that's beautiful. It's like the real fish is swimming. Okay, so that's all. Finish it. We go to another one is B debug turtle movement. Okay, this turtle program breaks every time it tries to move to the left. So let me try, run and try up, right, down, left. Left it's not working the problem. Okay, so what you have to do is you go to the left key. The problem is we forgot to put the dot X position. Okay, just put the dot X and reset and run again. You can try for 4 direction, left, right, up and down. Okay, the turtle will work properly. Finish. Okay, the last one, debug turtle movement. So what about this? Debug why the turtle does not move at all. Okay, run. Okay, you can see it's moved a little bit and did not replace the last turtle. Okay, so what you have to do, you come up here to the code and you can see the while and the set animation is inside the draw loop. Cut it and paste it at the top of the workspace. Okay, reset and run again. Try. Okay, that worked properly. Okay, it can move left, right, and up and down. Finish. Okay, now that finish all the three, you go up to this puzzle 6. Okay, now we go to the move in all direction. You can make a simple game that moves a sprite around the screen. Okay, do this. Add 4 separate conditional statements that make the wingboard move every direction. Now we have the wingboard that nothing happens when you press arrow key. So what you have to do is you use 4 if statement. You can check for 1. This one is I check for the left. Okay. If the key down is key left, what happened? So now I just copy it for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So for the first one, if the key down is pressed, you want the flyer dot, you can set like x equal to flyer dot x. Now dot x, should be -3. Okay. And this one, delete it and you change it to right. And what you have to do is flyer, make the flyer dot x equal to flyer dot x plus 3. Okay, and this one is key, change it to up. Okay, and sorry, back the if a little bit, and flyer dot y equal to flyer dot y -3 because it is up. And after that, this one is down. Okay, if the key down is key down, it means that if you press the key down, flyer dot y equal to flyer dot y plus 3. Okay, reset and run. Up, left, down, and right. Okay, you can move your flyboard anywhere that you want using the arrow key to control it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we go to the last puzzle. We have another 3 activity more, but the last one is pre-play. Now we go to A, key went down, clicker counter. Okay. So responding to a single click, and this game count how many times someone presses spacebar, okay? But it keep giving point when the spacebar is still pressed, even it is not a new press. Okay, this problem. The block key when down will give you will only give a point for the new press. So it is better choice for this program. Run program, sees how it works. Okay. When you press the space key, okay, for the long time the counter still count and give you the point. Okay. But now we have to change the code by using the another one is the key went down. Okay. So let's try and run again. When you press it, no matter how long you press the spacebar, it gives you only 1 point. If you want another point, you press another one, click. Okay. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like that. When you press the new click, you get the new score or the new point. Okay, finish it. We go to the changing animation B. Okay, this one is also cool. So changing image as you move. Right now this condition only do one thing, change the sprite X and Y position. But you can actually put as much code as you want inside the conditional. A common thing to do in the game is to change the character's image depending on which direction they are walking. Okay? You are going to make bug, but that bug that always face the direction is moving like this picture. Okay? So using provides program image, duplicate the chosen bug image 4 times. Okay, edit your image point 2 point in one of 4 direction. Write a code that using the sprite set animation to change the image. Okay, so that's cool. So now we can set go here. Okay, left, right, up and down is work. The problem is you have to change or duplicate your fly. Okay. Now I duplicate for 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For this one, I use the fly left, its name. This one is fly right, and this one is fly up. Okay, and this one is fly down. Okay, now let's go to set the flip for this. This go to right, and this one go to down, and this one should go up. But go up, I flip it, flip, rotate, flip. Okay, that's one. Left, right, down. Oh, this one up. Sorry, make it up. Okay, this one is up, and this one is down. Okay, down. Okay, like that. So that's cool. We come up here, and what you have to do is use the bird dot set animation. This one to fly left. Okay, and this one is no fly left. This one is fly up. Sorry, for the first one is up, and this one is fly down. Choose. Okay, and this one is fly left. And the last one is bug dot set animation to right. Okay, that's cool. What's something wrong with this? Bug. Okay, this I put it wrong. I speak. No. Run. Oh, the problem is I forgot to change this. Change it to fly left. Okay. Reset and run again. Okay, you go left, up, down, Oh, what's problem with down? Okay, this down. Like that, okay, down. Okay, fly down and make something wrong. Okay, I wrong with the spelling, okay. Run, up, down, left, right, down, left, up, left, down, right. Okay, that's amazing. That's cool. So that's all for this puzzle. Submit it. Okay, now we complete this activity. Okay, so we go to the pre-play. Okay, that's all for this video. For the last activity is free play. So everyone use what you have learned, okay, in this video, and to make another scene to control your board or your sprite to move it left, right, up and down. It's up to you. Okay, I hope you all guys can do it and comment below if you've done it. Okay, see you again in the next video.